You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this fascinating word that does come from French dessert, and yes, it's often confused with a different word if you want to learn the difference. Stay tuned, I've got a video for you. The British English pronunciation is as dessert. Dessert. The stress is on that zert syllable. If you say desert, well, if you stress on the first syllable, it's a different word. Now, in American English, the US pronunciation, dessert. Dessert, or in British English UK, dessert. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. By the way, in French it's pronounced dessert. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.